Insects, creatures that have lived here since before, continue to thrive strongly. The forest is a community of plants competing for nutrients and light. Countless other life forms gradually appear. Here, there are many types of fungi, plants, and trees, creating the power for a world in constant motion. Insects move everywhere in search of food. Sunlight, humidity, and vapor from the sun begin to increase, signaling the appearance of clouds during the day. And every afternoon, rain falls. Tropical rainforests across the planet exist thanks to their warmth and humidity.